Yo boys, you never guess it, but it's fucking content day, alright? Today we're going to be smashing content. That's why the banner is out there. That's why I'm dressed like this. I still haven't eaten anything. I still haven't showered or whatever. But you know, we gotta push the content, bro, because the schedule doesn't lie, man. We gotta push some shit, bro. We gotta be pushing some shit. So yeah, today I'll be recording some content for the next, what would it be? 2-3 weeks? Probably, right? So yeah, it's awesome, boys. Yo, what's up, boys? Yeah, I just finished a lot of fucking recording. I recorded like, what is it? At least 6 long forms. So I was talking for 1.5 hours. After that, still had to do some short forms. It's good, man. When you have systemized stuff out there, you just know what to do. And that's essentially why you should plan your day and make sure that everything is set up in the right way. So yeah, boys, work is not done. It's only 12:27 in the afternoon, I guess you should call it. I don't know. We call it like middag, but that's Dutch, I guess. Alright, boys, but yeah, we gotta get to work. Got some more editing, got some more scheduling, and building some thumbnails, boys. Adios. Yo, what's up, boys? It's not normal that I'm in this situation where I'm all sweaty with the sharp jawline, but I just came back from a cycle as I'm untying my shoes, and I wanted to talk to you about behavior modification. So how can you change someone's behavior? It's quite an interesting topic, and I think the only way that I actually personally experienced it, right, is when you are in a uncomfortable situation. So you have like sort of 2 main pillars when it comes down to behavior modification. The first one is, yeah, definitely positive reinforcement. And the second one is negative reinforcement. Now, something I utilize all the time is the negative reinforcement. So what that means is every time I do something, I feel like it's not enough. I feel like I can do way more. Or, yeah, you know, like fuck. Oh yeah, still gotta catch a breath. But it's like, you have to make sure that if you want to change someone's behavior, or if you just want to change your own behavior, you have to do some sort of activity where basically you are forced to move. And the only way that I started utilizing back like right now is the only way I actually move is when I have something negative coming up, right? So for instance, bro, when I see on my content schedule that I need to upload a video, it's going to be negative because it's going to ruin my streak if I don't record a new video, right? So I have to move because something negative is chasing me. And that's essentially behavior modification. You have to make sure that there is either something positive that you're running towards to, which honestly never works, because if you know me, positivity, nah, not it, bro. You gotta be so fucking negative. And I literally saw 2 Ferraris when I was cycling, and I was like, man, fuck you, that's my car. I fucking deserve it, I need it, you know? And this makes me sort of turn a switch, you know? I'm not positive. I don't think like, oh, you deserve it, man. Oh, nice Ferrari. No, I cannot, I don't even dare. Like, I literally am disgusted and when I look at it, because I just feel like I need it as well. I just feel like I feel so much negative emotions towards the Ferrari, towards other people succeeding, and how bad and how jealousy that sounds. It's just the harsh truth, man, because I'm not where I want to be. I'm in an uncomfortable situation. I need to get out of here. I need to prove people wrong. I feel like it's my duty to prove people wrong. So yeah, that's essentially why I move. That's why I work, because there's a negative motivator in my life, and that is behavior modification. Because it's something negative, I have to move. I have to change my behaviors just to fucking make money, right? That's what I wanted to talk to you about. It's like, you either search for something positive, but in my opinion, that never works. Like, it always has to come from something that you're running away from, essentially. So, hope that makes sense, I guess.